Okay, we're going to talk about the brain, the battery, and connecting. Each of these cables has this little connector piece, and you have to push down on it to connect or disconnect. These connect simply right here by sliding it in, and it'll click in. To disconnect it, you have to push on that little tab to pull out. Speaking of this little tab and the brain, never carry it either by the battery or the brain and let it dangle. You have to carry them both together, or what I like to do is just simply carry it inside the carrying case so that nothing breaks. Because if this gets broken or doesn't work, you can't use it. Let's talk about how to connect this brain to the test bed for our first challenge. I like to place it just like the picture right here, right on the test bed. That way everything's laid out just fine for you. I'm going to turn on the brain so that it's on. I'm going to hit the battery test to make sure I get enough power. Excellent. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take our right motor. Here it's labeled right motor. It's also on the right. I'm going to put that in port 1 because we called it right motor 1. I'm going to take the left motor right there, left motor 2. I'm also going to check to see that there's a red light there and there's a red light there. If that light doesn't light up, then one of these might be loose or not clicked in. You have to make sure that those are all the way in, and don't start moving it around. Leave it just still like that. Last but not least, plugging in the LED up here. Follow the cord. Be really careful. These pins are very fragile. They will break, so you want to be really careful with those. The fin points upward, just like the shape of the hole right here. That goes into port A. I just very gently work it in there so that I don't break any of those pins, and this is perfectly connected. I can then go to my programs, and I can hit run on the one I want, and hit that, and it starts to run my motors. That's it.